This video is sponsored by Surfshark. Good afternoon everyone and welcome back to the channel from windy and cold Finland. So today I'm in Tampere. I'm here because I'm flying on the inaugural Airbaltic flight from Tampere to Copenhagen in economy class on board their Airbus A220 300. So if you're ready, let's go to the airport. Airport is located around 15-minute away drive from the town, but it was really complicated to reach it. I will tell you why a bit later. The airport itself is very small and cozy. There are not so many flights. I came around 3 hours before my flight and I got the entire airport for myself, so I managed to have some work done. Then I was a bit surprised when I saw fire trucks next to the apron, and then this happened.
A few minutes later.
Yeah. Okay, sure, thank you. So guys, the staff is very nice at this airport. They invited me to take a closer look to water salute here in Tampere airport, because now the Airbaltic plane, which should take me to Copenhagen, is arriving from Rhodos. So since it will be first arrival from Rhodos as well, there will be a water salute. So I'm waiting now for the plane to arrive. You can see the fire trucks behind me. And yeah, this is actually a very special moment. So the plane should come into landing in around 10 to 15 minutes. Go around, go around, go around. It was actually kind of challenge to get to the airport because it's located in the middle of nowhere and there is a bus which is connected to the flight basically. But I was afraid that I might be late because I didn't expect this airport to be so small. So and there's a strike on the public transportation, so I had to take a taxi which cost 40 euros for like 15-minute ride from the city. Yeah, but actually it was worth to come earlier. I got the seat assigned at 21st row, and not the window seat, because Airbaltic assigns the seats for you automatically, and if you wanna select your seat you need to pay. But the check-in agent was super nice. She saw that I'm with the camera and she's like, if you wanna get window seat in front, it's fine, because apparently the flight is not that busy today. Security check is still not open because the airport is super small, so everything is connected to the flight. So I think in like 30 minutes maybe they will open the security check and then we'll be ready to go to the gate. There's only one cafe over here which is actually now closed and yeah, people just hanging around in the main hall and checking in for the flight and waiting for the security to be open. Yeah, so far so good. I really enjoyed the time. Shortly, security check was opened, so I packed my stuff and I was ready. Without any delay, I passed the security check and came to my gate number 1. Next to the gate, there was a nice celebration mood on the first flight to Copenhagen, not like on my last Swiss inaugural flight. If you didn't see that video, click on the top right corner. But back to Airbaltic inaugural flight. Everyone was so happy on this special day for the airline. They offered us some cake and hot drinks. This is a really nice touch. After enjoying that piece of super tasty cake, it was about the time to board the aircraft.
Okay.
On behalf of Airbaltic, we offer.
Bye-bye. So guys, I'm boarding Airbaltic A220 alone. Actually there are more passengers, but they are not running. There is like, look, there's no one around, nobody's following you and helping you to get to the aircraft. You just like, you know, you just go straight to the plane and that's it. So that's the machine we have today. That's the pretty new 2021 September Airbus A220-300. So let's board the plane. Hello.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you. Airbaltic A220-300 here in economy class. We got a nice welcome from the crew. They're really happy and smiling. The design of the cabin is really fresh and looks super good. So just got to my seat, 7 Foxtrot. Yeah, so the flight is not that busy, even though it's the first flight to Copenhagen from Tampere. We have just 20-something passengers on the plane, which is not much at all. I will show you more cabin features as soon as we airborne. Engines were started, flaps set, and we have started taxiing to runway 24. It was a really short ride to the runway. While we are climbing to our cruising altitude, it is a time for a quick word from today's video sponsor, Surfshark. Now you can connect to over 3,200 servers in 65 countries from any device, smartphone, tablet, laptop, TV and others. For me, as a person who travels a lot, I need to connect to many open public Wi-Fis, which are not safe sometimes. To avoid data leakage, I always connect to Surfshark VPN with a single click on my device, and then I'm sure my data is safe. Now with the code FLY with Andrius you get 83% off and extra 3 months completely for free. Check the link in the description below. Now since we reached cruising altitude, I can show you the cabin in more details. This A220 has 2 class cabin, business and economy. Both offers 2 3-class configuration seats, in total of 145 seats with 32 inches of pitch. The only difference is that in business class seat next to you is blocked. Overall, seats are very well designed and offers decent amount of legroom. Above your seat, there is a small screen which shows you the safety features of this aircraft and some other relevant flight data. Now it is a time to visit the loo. Toilet was clean, had enough space, and it was just right on short European flights like this one. Then I came back to my seat and decided to check out the magazine. Inside you can find the food options which are available for purchase on Airbaltic flights. I was really surprised by the options they have and cannot wait to try it next time to see if it actually tastes that good as it looks. Few minutes later, we have started our approach to Copenhagen and pilots came back with updated information.
Towards Copenhagen, expect to land in 20 minutes. Weather in Copenhagen is plus 12 degrees, partly cloudy and calm. On behalf of myself and all Airbaltic, thank you for flying with us. It's been our pleasure to have you aboard and hopefully I'll see you soon at board again.
So it is time to summarize the flight. I think Airbaltic made a really good step by becoming only Airbus A220 aircraft airline. It will help them to increase the range, save fuel, so I expect them to increase their route network even more. Overall product is nice, I really enjoyed the cabin itself, seats were decent. Unfortunately, when we landed in Copenhagen, we didn't get the water salute. Thank you. Bye.
Bye-bye.
So guys, just landed in Copenhagen. It was an awesome flight, pretty empty. The crew was nice. It's a decent product for short European routes. I'm not sure if it will be really profitable. Like, imagine, like today there was a first flight and there were only 20 people. So let's see how it goes. I wish all the best for Airbaltic, of course, and cannot wait to try them again, maybe in business class next time.